green moringa oil really surprised me. My shedding reduced, my roots felt stronger, and if your hair keeps breaking, please try this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are so welcome. I create simple DIYs and natural hair treatments that actually helps our hair get stronger, grow healthier and stay moisturized. So please sit back, relax and let me show you how I made this 100% fresh moringa hair oil that has been so good to my hair. So first, I'm starting with my fresh moringa leaves. If you are someone struggling with breakage or your roots feel weak, moringa is one powerful plant you will love. It's rich in vitamins A, B, C and E, plus minerals like zinc that support hair growth and help reduce shedding. I wash the leaves properly to remove any dirt. And I let them dry a bit. You don't want much water because oil and water does not mix well. Next, I'm pouring in my carrier oil, which is olive oil. Olive oil is great for moisture and it helps soften the hair, reduce dryness and protect it from breakage. Now, I'll put the mixture on a low heat in a pan. Please, make sure the heat is very low. We don't want to fry the leaves, we just want the nutrients to slowly release into the oil. Keep stirring gently as it warms up. Slowly turning green. That's how you know the moringa is infusing nicely. If you are enjoying this recipe, please give it a like. It really encourages me to keep sharing more. These steps usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes on very low heat. Once the oil turns a deeper green, the leaves look a bit dry and crispy. I turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. so I added it off camera. I love adding essential oil like tea tree oil in my DIY recipes because they really help for keeping the scalp clean, reducing dandruff, and supporting hair growth. Now, let me quickly show you how I apply this oil. I first spray a little water on my scalp to soften it. Gently apply the moringa oil directly to my roots and massage it in with my fingertips. And along the length of my hair, focusing more on the ends. By the way, I'm currently in the process of losing my mini braids and I will be uploading a full video very soon, so stay tuned. It's really important to massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp helps increase blood flow, which encourages hair growth. Trust me, even if your hair has been shedding a lot or feeling weak, try to be patient with it. Little routine like this, especially with natural oils, can really bring life back to your hair over time. Be gentle with yourself and your hair because healthy hair growth is a journey, not a race. If you are someone who has been struggling with breakage or thinning, please don't give up. Stay consistent with moisturizing, massaging your scalp, and using growth-friendly oils like this. You will flourish. Every little care step counts. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you enjoyed this video or you want more simple natural DIYs like this, please don't forget to like this video. Drop a kind comment even if it's just moringa, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really encourages me to keep making more helpful videos for you all. Don't forget to share this with someone who needs a hair strengthening routine. It might just help their hair journey too. See you in my next video. Bye and take care of your